Hi guys, I'd just like to show you how to insert a davit mast into a davit base. Firstly, locate your davit base, remove the cap. This cap is designed to prevent dust and foreign objects falling inside your base, and also will prevent someone from slipping, tripping or taking a fall on the hole that you've created whilst installing the base. Then take your arm, insert your mast, then reach for your arm, ensure that it's able to swivel, and then you can insert your self-retracting lifeline, type 2 device, type 3 device, or your rescue recovery winch to your davit once installed.